Stop scrolling. This saves drivers money. Most people don't know this. Auto safety tip. Quick auto tip from Universal Auto Glass. If your garage has an automatic door, always check that your car has full clearance before opening or closing. Even a small misalignment can cause the door to scrape or impact your windshield or side windows. Make sure nothing is hanging from the door or rails that could drop onto your glass. Park far enough inside so the door never contacts your vehicle. Follow for simple tips that help avoid expensive repairs. Universal Auto Glass, helping drivers stay safe, informed, and prepared.